How to make school life easier and more exciting? We've prepared a mega collection of awesome life hacks and tricks that will make school life a lot easier for any student. Do you enjoy painting classes? Let's make a case for our acrylic paint tubes in the shape of an acrylic paint tube. We'll need a sock with a fine pattern and a toilet paper roll. Cut off the top and the bottom parts of the sock. Slide the sock onto the paper roll. Attach one side of the sock with a rubber band and the other with some hot glue. Take a cap from an old shampoo bottle. Push a ribbon through the opening to get a loop. Attach it to the top of the case. Glue the loop and a button onto the case. Mark the case with a colorful label so that we know what's inside. Put the tubes of acrylic paint inside the case. Now, the paint is always at hand and in order. In the next hack, we'll show you how to make a folder for our notebooks out of some improvised materials. We'll need a cereal box of the appropriate size. Cut off the side face, then fold the edges inward and glue them to the box. Make an opening and push a rubber band through. Attach it with some hot glue. Choose a nice print and cover the faces of the box with some multicolored craft paper. Simple and practical. Who's going to have the neatest notebooks in class? Okay, now that we have a folder, we need to organize our markers too. We're going to need a Ziploc bag. Use some decorative tape to attach the bag onto the folder. All your stationery in one place. Very convenient. We're very keen on unique notebooks. Let's make another one and decorate its cover with a juicy orange. We've shown how to draw one in a previous video. Mark some circles on the writing paper with a compass. Cut them out. Cut out a few circles from some plastic folders as well. Choose multiple different colors for a better effect. Make a stack out of them, alternating between paper and plastic. Push a hole through the stack and attach the sheets with a ring. Done! There won't be any other notebooks like this one. In class, the ruler and the pencil sharpener go together like peanut butter and jelly. Time to combine them. With the heated tip of a hot glue gun, make a hole through the middle of the ruler. Glue the pencil sharpener right next to it. With this comfortable handle on the ruler, the learning process will be going a lot faster. And if your pencil becomes dull, you can very efficiently sharpen it. But where can you put those pencil shavings? Is there no trash bin nearby? A balloon will help you out. Slide the balloon onto the pencil sharpener, leaving the opening for the pencil on the outside. The shavings will be falling inside the balloon and your desk will stay nice and clean. And now, let's make something multifunctional. Let's make a writing ruler. Print out a paper ruler. Roll it up and put it into a transparent pen tube. Now you can easily measure out and draw lines of the right length. How to add a colorful print to a notebook? It's actually easier than you might think. Cut out a heart-shaped template out of EVA foam. Stick it to a nail polish bottle with some double-sided tape. Apply some paint onto the foam and decorate the notebook with some hearts. You can also make templates in the shape of letters and spell out how much you love your school. Your teacher will surely appreciate it. Now, let's make a holder for our important notes. Use some straws and strings. Trim the straws to the needed length. Slide them onto the string. Loop back the rest of the string inside to form a square with our straws. Make another identical square. Finish our construction with a rooftop by putting together two straws. Attach our notes and pictures with some pins. Hang the holder on the wall, and you will always be able to see your important information. We got a little carried away while drawing, so now all of our fingers are covered in marker stains. But we know what to do. Just dip a Q-tip into some nail polish remover and use it to rub off the stains. The marker stains dissolve right away. And now, let's make an interesting pencil bookmark origami style. Get a thin rectangle of a one-sided sheet of colored paper. Fold the top edge to a distance of about 1 centimeter. Turn the colored side face up and fold 2 triangles towards the center. Fold once more to sharpen the tip of our origami pencil. Turn it around, fold the strip upwards, smooth it out, turn it once more. Fold a strip on each side, and we've got a bookmark that looks just like a pencil. It would be a great gift for a young painter. We've all cheated on a test at least once. Today, we'll show you how to seamlessly cheat on your test or exam. First, let's make a classic accordion cheat sheet. Write your notes on a piece of paper. Fold it accordion style, just like a book that you can flip through. It takes up little space and can be easily hidden in your palm. Using an optical illusion, let's trick the teacher into believing that we've only got 1 ruler instead of 2. Join the 2 rulers together with some tape. Now it can unfold. Place our cheat sheet between the 2 rulers. Lift up the upper piece and quickly get a sneak peek of your notes while the teacher isn't looking. Scientists believe that chocolate is good for your brain. Well, for your grades too. Get a toothpick and write out your formula on the back side of the chocolate bar. Put the packaging back on and place it on your desk. Let the teacher believe that you're not cheating, but merely stimulating your gray matter. Say whatever you like, but the stationery knife is above suspicion. Write out all the stuff you didn't have time to revise on a thin piece of paper. Take the blade out of the knife and put the rescue cheat sheet inside the knife casing. Put the blade back in place. Slide the blade up and the scriptures reveal themselves. Be careful not to raise any suspicion from Miss Smith. For the next cheat sheet, we'll need a skin bandage. Write your cheat sheet and stick it to your hand using the bandage. People get scratches every day, right? The notes are always near at hand. On your hand, to be precise. The next cheat sheet is a bit trickier. Use a heated blade to make a gap in the body of a pen. Attach a couple of toothpicks together with a rubber band and insert them into the pen cap. Put the ink tube back into its place and insert the cheat sheet into the gap. We can pull the sheet inside the body of the pen by rotating the cap. Attach a piece of plastic of the same color to the end of the cheat sheet. That's what they call hiding in plain sight. Is Miss Smith always vigilant? Use double-sided tape to stick the cheat sheet to your sleeve. Act fast and no one will notice a thing. You could forget your compass at home, but you would never forget your fidget spinner, now would you? Insert the pencil into one of the openings and start spinning. By placing the pencil between the blades, we get a circle of a smaller diameter. As simple as that. Trying to make some straight lines, but end up with some squiggly ones instead? We'll share a secret with you. Place the sheet of paper on the edge of the table. Get a marker, put it on your hand, and press your index finger up against the edge of the table. Confidently slide your hand across, dragging the marker with it. A bit of practice, and you're good to go. My pen was here somewhere. Ouch! These spiky pins have again invaded the pencil case. It's time to set them straight. Get an eraser and stick all of your pens in it. It's like a hedgehog turned inside out. This pen holder will protect you from their spikes. How do you reanimate a dead marker? We've got a hack for that. We'll need a nail polish bottle. Thoroughly rinse it out. Add some glitter. Fill up the bottle with water. Take the marker apart and cut the stem into a few pieces. Insert the tip of the marker into the stem and drop the smaller stem pieces into the bottle to let the pigment mix into the water. Use a syringe to inject some glycerin into the bottle. Put the stem and the tip into the bottle and attach them with hot glue. Get rid of the brush. Our glamorous marker is ready. It writes as good as new, and the glitter gives it a special kind of charm. Need a knife to cut some paper, but the stationery shop is already closed? Not a problem. Unscrew a pencil sharpener and take out the blade. Stick the blade in a binding clip. Our improvised knife is ready. It gets the job done. Are your papers all mixed up again? And you don't have any paper clips or stapler? Our next hack will help you out. Stack up the sheets in order. Make a cut in the upper corner of the stack. Fold in the corners and pull them through the gap. The pages are securely fixed in place. Did you enjoy our tips and tricks for school life? Which life hack did you like the most? The paint case, the cereal box folder, or the cheat sheet? Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you liked this video, and press the bell icon to follow our newest releases.